channel. I'm Nazario. Today we will be unboxing and assembling the Onebot S6L. This is how it's going to look. Alright, hope you enjoy the video. So let's get this box unwrapped. Alright, got the box ripped open. And this is how the bike is packaged. Alright, well let's take it out and see how it looks. Alright, well that's it out of the box. Doesn't really stand on its own, so got it pressed up against that. Also in the box we got a fender and most likely the charger and manual. Doesn't look like we're gonna have to put much together. It looks like we're just gonna have to take everything off and unstrap it and then unfold it. So let's get all this packaging off. Alright, and this is it, unwrapped and unfolded. So it looks like we're just gonna have to put that on, handlebars attached, and then seat post and back fender. Might be the back fender. Yeah, it looks like this part will get attached right here. Pretty simple right out of the box. And then get it charged up, check the tires. Should be good to go. It's gonna be a little fast video. Alright, well I was trying to lock the bike into the folded position and realized it won't clip because this is gonna need to go into that little hole down there. There's a little screw right back there. It's gonna be this one. It's gonna be the limiter screw, which limits this from going all the way that way. So we're just gonna need to stick a small little Allen in there and pull the screw out a little bit, just a little bit, so that when this clips, it'll actually lock this into place, so that it will lock everything into place. Deal? All right, deal. All right, once it's adjusted, you'll see it actually clicks into place. So when you want to put it on, you want to make sure it's unlocked so it'll fit over the screw. And then it clicks right back into place and it'll be locked. So when you want to open it, you press that down and pull it out. Alright, well now let's get the handlebars on. Alright. Took that out, make sure that doesn't come off. You want this little glass piece to be on there. And then it's going to be washer and then nut. And then you're going to stick it in right through there like that. Then tighten it. Alright, well since we're at this part, I already got the seat on, as you can see. That one's obviously common sense. You just push it in and then lock it down. You can get on the seat, adjust the handlebars how you want, and then lock this into place. So you do a little twisting, make sure it's even left and right, nice balanced. And then last, besides air and charging, oh, looks like we got two fenders in here, front and back. All right, so that's better. I was wondering why we only had a back. It was hiding in the back one. So it's gonna go right down there, and this one's gonna go right down in there. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. All right, well that was too simple. Phillips screw, in, out. Same with the front, in, out, and done. Put some air in the tires. And let's see how the battery is. Usually I charge it while I'm building, but it's done already before I can do anything, so we'll see where the battery's at. Alright, you gotta get the PSI to about 50, 45 to 65. The instruction manual does say charge before turning on, so we'll charge it beforehand. Alright, in order to charge it, you need to take this little plug out from there, which is really difficult unless you got something really tiny to get in there. I have some kind of nail I could try, and yeah, it wasn't enough. So you gotta get something like a little tiny screwdriver. That's what we used to pry it out. So, and then this can get lost. I think they should have had something like this, but with a lip, so that you can easily grab and pull. and charger's right there, so we're gonna get this charged up and then turn it on. Okay, so let's take this Onebot out for cruise. Let's see how it looks. M, turn it on. It's already on pedal assist 1. Alright, let's get started. I want to put it on pedal assist 0 to start off with. You don't want to be kicked off right at the beginning. Alright. Pedal assist 0. Looks like it is rideable. Some bikes are really, really tough to ride when they're e-bikes. The motor doesn't want to move when it doesn't have any juice. This one is good. Alright, let's kick it up to pedal assist 1. There we go. That's unusual. Most bikes will give you a ton of power, kicks up really hard. This one's nice and smooth. I felt when it turned on. Alright, give me a second to get this figured out. I've been going kilometers per hour this whole time. There we go, miles. I don't know what that is. That's probably tire size. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, or that. Alright, well, I got miles per hour. Let's test it on miles per hour now. Let's go back to pedal assist. Yeah, on the plus side, this video was short now. Now we got a little length to it. Looks like we're getting 10 miles per hour on pedal assist 1. Let's check pedal assist 2. Pedal assist 2, we're getting 12 miles per hour. Pedal assist 3. Pedal assist 3, we're getting 15 miles per hour. And then the battery gives out at 15, so that's the speed limit it gets to. Looks like there's a couple things you can play with. Check the owner's manual if you want to find that stuff out. And I'm having the feeling, that throttle would be the same thing. I think I'm going to get 10 miles per hour in throttle. I'm using throttle only. Pedal assist 1. Looks like I'm going 9, almost 10. Nope. I'm not even going that much on this. Is like the tiniest little incline, like a 1 degree incline or less. All right, well, I'm getting 9 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2. Howdy. Pedal assist 2, we're going 12. Yeah, it looks like it's matching. Matching pedaling. And then pedal assist 3, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get to 15. Oh. I've pushed 17 on throttle. Alright, usually pedaling gets you a little higher speeds, but on this one, you're going 16 to 17 miles per hour on throttle at pedal assist 3. There is no 4, so that is the end of the video. Let's park it. And there you have it. That is the Onebot. Disc brakes, folding e-bike, rear suspension. It does got the 6-speed Shimano shifter. It's got a reflector headlight in the front, looks like. And horn. And there it is. If you like this video and my review, give it a nice thumbs up, like. If you want to see more unboxing and assemblies of all different kind of bikes and products, just give it a subscribe. It's absolutely free. Oh, maybe I should show you how to fold it. You push this down, you pull it out, and then the bike will just fold that way. And then this, you're gonna push this down, put it down, and then that will fold to the side. So it'll fold backward like that towards the side, and then this gets folded this way. And then you'll notice it does have a little roller down here. It's a little wheel, and that's so this doesn't crash into the floor, so it should protect that. The link will be in the bio for this bike. Not in the bio, in the description. Alright, well, until next time, have a great day. Love you. Bye.